All right. Attempt 3 at Gilligainz Overkill. This thing is brutal. Okay, false set. I'm using the wrong tensioner. Tension like that. Tension like that. Then tension like that. Then tension like that. Righto. Two. 1, 2, 3. I don't think we are too far off, provided I haven't overset something. One again. Not be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it's 4 we need to worry about. Ah, yeah, boy. This has been difficult, to say the least. Alrighty. It's the bidding on the key. So 4 and 6 are not actually zero lifts. They do need a bit. All right. Where are we? Oh, that is a relief. You can see there that those are not zero lifts. Got a spool. Where's me? Got a spool. A small spool looking like a torpedo. Looks like a very light shallow spool. And a deep torpedo-y spool. All right. Got milling in 1, 2. Oh, hang on. We're rotating that way, so we're going this side. Milling in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You evil, evil man, Gilly. Righto, drivers. Ooh. A nice long spool. Got a spool with a couple little thin serrations in there. Three, we've got a spool. Tipping on these springs are going to be the same. 4 is a spool. Geez, I'm flying out. 6 is a spool. And 5 is a spool. I doubt there's any mods to the... oh, there might be. You can get to them. No, there's not, which is good. Don't give him any more ideas. All right, ignoring the top, because that's a work in progress. Well, it's a work. I wouldn't say it's in progress. Barrels suck. So yeah, key pins, I've done this upside down, but you'll get the point. Got little, I guess, spool, more of a torpedo, really light spool, and another sort of torpedo-y looking thing, or more of a spool. Then we've got these nasty, really thin-lipped spools. They almost kind of look like, gins, but and the springs are the same. But where these really become a nuisance, it's a real thin one, is, so if you focus for me, as you're trying to get these up and out in that milling, ooh, they catch. So you've got to really manually rotate that plug out. Oh, lost it again. Anyway, that was Overkill by Gilligainz. Thanks for watching.